Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright you guys, so a couple things. I have a clippy up here. I have been trying to get more volume at the roots, and I happened upon a TikTok video and someone was like, this is what I do when I'm letting my hair air dry. So if you're wondering what this is, it's just like a claw clip. So we're gonna see how that works. Yeah, and some of my bangs are kind of falling down. It's okay. Today's video, you guys know I am a huge Ladybug Glow fan, and she did take a break, but she came back with two new palettes. They're collabs with Gourmande girls. So the first palette that I'm using, the palette I'm using today, the next one I'll use tomorrow, it is El Camino. Very, very beautiful. Love the packaging, and the color story, of course, is gorgeous. And here's that color story. Just really, really pretty, you guys. So I am excited. This is the palette I'm using today, and tomorrow I'm going to use Paradise Cove, which is, again, also beautiful, beautiful, really fun color story. There's Paradise Cove. And I think these palettes were also available in the Ice Cream Beauty box for the month of August. I just picked these up off of Ladybug Glow's Etsy page, so you can also get them in the Ice Cream Beauty box. I'm not sure, since we are well into August, I don't know how long the Ice Cream Beauty boxes are offered, but I do believe Ladybug Glow still has some of these palettes on her site and her Etsy. So if you want to pick one out, pick one or both of them up. Of course, I picked both of them up. I think you can still do that. So let's go ahead. Let's get started on today's video. I guess we'll do two different eye looks. You know, it's kind of turned into my thing. So yeah, let's just get started. Yeah, it was another hot week this week. I'm just so over the heat. So over it. Alright, so let's start. This shade Excess right here is just like beautiful. I have to use it. So let's start out with this shade. Alright, you guys. So how are you all doing? How's life? I'm just hoping fall will kind of like fuel my soul. Because I have just been so tired. Like Thursday night, I was just so tired. I literally could not. I mean, I'm so glad my husband was home, because I just couldn't. I couldn't do anything. I was just so tired. My energy is just gone. Like I was getting kind of scared. I'm like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like I've been like, I always like, we have stairs, so I just go up and down a lot, like let the dogs out and stuff at night. Like I couldn't even do that. I had to have my husband do it. I'm like, I literally feel like I can't even walk down the stairs. I'm so freaking exhausted. So that was not cool. Now let's go in with the shade Tiffany Twisted, which is that really cool teal shade right there. So yeah, I don't know. I've just been going through it a lot lately. Yeah, like a lot of, like my job is just exhausting. Just dealing with humans is exhausting, and like some people, when they don't get what they want, they just are not very nice, and they just like will completely wear you down, scream at you, whatever. And I've just been doing this for a long time, and it really takes a toll on me. So yeah. Okay, this is so pretty. Like I'm loving how this is turning out. This is kind of slightly reminding me of the look I did that the video actually just went up today, Saturday. It was the my collab with Dub's Beauty Diary. So you guys, we did like a 6 palette Bingo with Juvia's Place palette. So if you have not watched that video, please go watch that video, and also go subscribe to DW's channel. She's awesome, and I think you guys would really enjoy her content. I know I mentioned this in the video, but I'm just mentioning it now. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it and go subscribe to DW's channel. Now I'm going to go in with some glitter glue, because I just really need some glitter. shimmer beautifulness in my life. And let's see. Is this the brush I want? Yes. Okay. We're going to go in with Hedonism, the shade right here. I feel like this is going to be freaking phenomenal. Of course. This is really, really, really pretty. Just knowing Ladybug Glow and Gourmande girls, like I knew these palettes were going to be awesome. Really, really pretty. That's a really, really, really fun look. I really, really like that. It's like perfect for summer nights. All right, for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go with the shade El Camino, which is that shade right there. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then for that like lower, it's not really gonna be a highlight because the shade's a little darker, but going with the shade Courtyard, it just is like a little extra shimmer pop of something different. Ooh, that's pretty. That's very, very, very pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness. All right. One eye down, one to go. All right, so next we're gonna start with, let's start with the shade, let's start with Pink Champagne, this shade right here. All right. And now I'm gonna go in with that shade El Camino. Shade right there. Build up the crease and just a little bit underneath it like I did on the other eye. All right, now I'm gonna go put down some of that glitter glue. And I'm gonna go into the shade Courtyard right there. Courtyard and El Camino look amazing together, by the way. All right. I think I'm gonna bring Hedonism just a little bit higher up on the other eye. So I'm just gonna go back into that just a little bit. There we go. Just a smidge, just a smidge. All right, now for the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go with the shade Excess just because it's just so pretty. And then for the lower inner corner pop of something special, I think I am going to, let's see, there we go. Take that same shade Hedonism again, because that's going to go perfect with Excess. All right, I'm gonna go do my mascara. I don't really think there's much fallout at all. I just kind of overshot my eye, so I'll clean that up, do the bangs, hopefully have a little more volume at the roots, and I will be right back, you guys. All right, so I'm back. I'm going to use, if you've watched my last several videos, you know, these Mandy Makeup light worker highlights just have me by the soul. They're amazing. So this is the shade Akashic. Might not be saying that correctly, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on for my highlights. Like, these highlights are absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. Just so good. Just trying to make sure you guys can see that. I mean, it is phenomenal. All right. So pretty. Just beautiful. All right. So I'm gonna put the lid back on. And then just put a little bit more setting spray, the Rick and Morty Glam Light. Okay. Oh, feels so good. All right, you guys. So let's do, these are the final looks I used, I created. Can you tell I haven't filmed in a minute? I'm just like so off my game. But with the Ladybug Glow and Gourmande Girls El Camino palette. think my husband's coming in, so if you hear anything, that's my husband. But here's another look at the palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. There we go. Alright, and again, it was the Ladybug Glow in Gourmande Girls El Camino palette. It is part of the Ice Cream Beauty box for August. Again, not sure if they're still available with the Ice Cream Beauty box. I'm not sure how long they continue to sell them because we're almost at the end of August. But I believe Ladybug Glow does still have some left on her Etsy and her website. So check it out. Amazing. This is the first palette. The second palette... Okay, I was like, what happened? So that is right here. I'm going to film with it tomorrow. It is the Paradise Cove palette. There you go. So both these looks should be going up soon. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you've shown me and my channel. I'm just trying to get this back in the box. What else was I going to say? I totally got thrown off. My husband came in and I'm just like out of sorts right now. But anyway, you guys, did you like these looks? Have you tried Ladybug Glow? You definitely need to if you have not. Gourmande Girls, awesome as well. So just thank you so much. Please remember that you are loved, you are beautiful, you are amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.